So what is happening in Bangladesh? What happened in Bangladesh last week? His name is Deepu Chandra Das. Listen to this story. Deepu Chandra Das, he was working in a factory. When there was an argument, because when you're covered by the majority Muslims, they always try to convert you. So they had an argument. One Muslim colleague in the factory said, "Hey, you are an infidel. My Allah is the greatest." What Deepu Chandra Das said is, exact conversation, he said, "He might be great for you, but for me, my Bhagwan is. Everything is equal." That's all he said. That is all he said. Immediately, this guy created a fake narrative and he went to police and said, "This guy is talking about our Muhammad and Allah." For nothing. A casual conversation. Immediately, police came and captured him. He was crying. He was short, tribal Hindu guy. He had a small baby, a wife, and old parents. That's all he has got. He was not rich. He was a very poor guy. He lives in a hut. So what happened? Police took him, and then immediately the police did not keep him. After a few hours, he was crying to the police saying, "I did not do anything. Leave me, let me go to my family." The police dragged him, took him. He said, No, it's okay, and handed over to the crowd. A mob. Just like that. He was crying, "Don't leave me, I will die." He was crying, catching hold of the legs and saying, "Please." And before he was handing over to the crowd, he called his mom last. "Amma, I don't know, I will live." He was crying. He was handed over. I don't know whether you watched. Within few minutes, he's no more. Why? Because he was just a Hindu. Hindu life does not matter. It does not matter because we Hindus, we don't care. We just don't care. Manaku dharmam avasram ledu, manaku satsangala avasram, manaku emi oddu. Evodo kadara. Somewhere somebody is dying, right? We don't care, right? మనకు బాధ లేదు కదా. Somewhere, right? He's a Hindu. Hindus' lives don't matter. Because today, we are happy living 1.4 billion Hindus in the world, and we still cannot dictate our terms. It is mind-boggling. 1.4 billion Hindus. Who are we waiting for to give orders to us, to act? How are we going to stand up for our kith and kin? How are we going to stand up for our brothers and sisters in the world? Some atrocities are happening. భయం, ప్రతిదానికి భయం. ఎవడో ఏదో అంటాడు, ఎవడో ఏదో అనుకుంటాడు. నీ తమ్ముడు ఈరోజు చచ్చిపోయాడు ఎక్కడో. ఆ ఎమోషన్ ఫీలింగ్ మీకు రాలేదు కదా. మీకు అసలు న్యూసే తెలియదు కదా. 2 weeks before that, I also talked about a lady in Bangladesh. We talked about it in our satsang, I believe. A lady. Some 12 to 15 people went to her just because she is Hindu. They made atrocious videos of her. Just one alone Hindu lady fought against the 17, but she couldn't. But we don't care because we are Hindus, right? నాకు ఆ పాత సినిమాల్లో తెలుగులో పాట ఉంటుంది, సిరివెన్నెల సీతారామ శాస్త్రి పాడింది, రాసింది అనుకుంటా. ఏదో పాట జ్ఞాపకం వస్తుంది నాకు. మన హిందువుల్ని అనుకుంటే సిగ్గులేది జనాలకి అని ఏదో పాట ఉంటుంది. ఏంది ఏ పాట? ఎవరన్నా సిగ్గు లేదు ఈ జీవోత్సవానికి అని. వీళ్ళకి ఏమి నెత్తురు కరగదు అసలు. మనకు అవసరం లేదు ఏది. ద That's exactly my point. Every time I talk about what? Hindu unity. If we are united, if we stand up for things, if we all together, that is when things change. Until then, things won't change. Things won't change.